Cheyenne.
PD Peppers.
You make loving you so effortless, and you did that from the start.
Anytime I'm sad, one look at you, and I'm smiling again.
My whole life falls in line.
I knew you were the one I wanted to be with for the rest of my life.
I prayed for you
For the first time, I told you I loved you.
before I called you mine.
I vividly remember the exact second I fell in love with you.
Oh, I can't believe
You're one of the most understanding, caring, and loving human beings I know.
sometimes
You never let me go a day without making sure I know how loved I truly am.
believe it's true.
And I knew we'd be standing here today.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you.
No matter what life throws at us, I know we'll handle it together as a team like we always do.
The way you love, it changes who I am. I am undone. And I thank God once again. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do.
You're my absolute best friend.
I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
And I love this life we're building together.
And they say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. But when it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
You're a once-in-a-lifetime love.
I love you if I've ever had a day.